Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine, and I also hope that you have watched my previous video of unboxing which I had made last week for Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. What a big name. So this is another unboxing video, and today I'm going to do unboxing of another device which is there in front of me, JBL Flip 4, which is a Bluetooth speaker. And today I'm going to talk about comparison which is there with the previous version and pros and cons. So let's do unboxing now. Let me open this box and see what's there inside. Once you open this box, you'll find again two boxes. The bigger one contains some instruction and warranty information. And if you open this smaller one, you'll find inside a bright orange charging cable. And here it comes, the main device, JBL Flip 4 speaker. It looks so dashing and amazing with this color after holding this. And on your left and right side, you will see this is a woofer. And if you turn here the first one, power button, this is for pairing with app. And here if we open this, the first one you can charge with USB, the second one you can use for aux audio input. You can control volume with the plus and minus sign buttons, pause, play music, or access your phone's personal assistant with the play button, skip to the next song by double tapping the triangular play button, and easily enter Bluetooth pairing mode with a dedicated button. All of this works perfectly and I had no complaints. At first glance, there isn't much about the new Flip 4 that sets it apart from the previous Flip 3, and that's because besides a few minor design changes like the phone button being turned into a more fitting triangle for pause or play, there really isn't too much different between them. The Flip 4 is still cylindrical in shape with exposed passive base radiators on either end. That said, there is one key difference that makes this a worthy upgrade to the previous model. It's waterproofing. Yeah, you heard it correctly, it's a waterproofing. That I will talk later on. Let's talk about battery life. JBL claims a battery life of about 12 hours, but in our initial testing we got exactly 4 hours on maximum volume. Yeah, it's a big difference, but the reason is because I feel like most people using a waterproof Bluetooth speaker is going to be using it outdoors, where it's probably going to be maximum volume, so that's how I test it. The JBL Flip 4 has a rugged IPX7 waterproof body. It can survive complete immersion in water up to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. You don't have to worry about it falling in the pool or getting wet in the rain. It is designed to take a splash and water has no way of transgressing its tightly sealed enclosure. Let's do sound check now. I'm going to connect my mobile phone with this JBL Flip 4. Let me switch on this. As I switch on, you can see it got connected so fast with Bluetooth as well as JBL device app. And you can see in this app, as I connect this, with this app you can connect more than 100 speakers simultaneously and you can enjoy your favorite track anytime. Apart from this, you can just go down here, and with voice assistant command you can search your songs by speaking your favorite song name, and also you can use Siri and Android Google app as well.
Can't stop drinking down your name. And all you keep on saying is how this music made us change. And honestly, this fighting just keeps worsening the pain. Dysfunctional relationships are the ones that say the same. But is it worth it to make you worth it? Yeah, my heart says you deserve it. Yet you know that we should burn it. And right now I can't really word it, but maybe this is the best thing or that worst time.
Let's talk about sound quality. If you were looking for the Flip 4 to be a huge improvement in terms of sound quality over the previous model, I'm sorry to disappoint. The Flip 4 sounds very similar to the previous model. Now that isn't a knock against the Flip 4 in any way, because I really liked the sound of the Flip 3. There are only a few subtle differences here as far as I can tell, one of them being in the highs. On the Flip 3, I found a slight distortion when the speaker was maxed out, but that doesn't seem to be an issue on this new model. You can still enjoy it without bothering your ears, which is a plus. Not much has changed in the mids. The vocals still coming through loud and clear. Background instruments do get pushed off the side a bit, but not enough to be an issue. Another minor change is in the low end with a slightly beefier bass when compared to the previous model. It's still not going to replicate the sub bass of your favorite songs, but it doesn't do a bad job at replicating it at a slightly higher frequency, it seems. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very well. Just don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back again with more videos like this. For the time being, enjoy my vlogs and unboxing videos. This is Asad signing off. Bye bye, take care and have a great day.